Over 20-some years of experience in detailing. Yes, sir. Rinsing that snow off it. Yes, sir. All y'all need to learn how to do this before you come outside your paint tore up, contaminated. Get all them contaminants off the paint. You know how we do it. Yes, sir. Over 20-some years of experience in detailing. Yes, sir. Get this out of my car from the snow. Yes, sir. I just rinsed the BMW down too. Yes, sir. Get a good rinse. Yeah, I know what's going on. Get that good Yoda boy a good rinse. Yoda boy. Give him a good rinse down. Get all the contaminants out of there. Yes, sir. Get all the contaminants off of there. Get up off of there, man. You gotta go, man. Can't eat the paint up over here, man. It's already had paint. Yeah, it was detailing to teach. You got that snow off the car, or snow residue, sand, salt, whatever they putting down. Get all that off your car, man. Before you have rust spots. Contaminated paint start oxidating. Rinse that thing, keep that oxidation off of it. Yes, I ain't putting no soap on it. I'm just rinsing them down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Every time you see the reflection of my house, you're gonna see me blur the screen. Tell you what's going on. You don't need to know one minute. I ain't nothing but an old barbecue man, old chef, trying to barbecue something. Yeah, I'm trying to barbecue something. I ain't trying to avoid nothing. Yeah, bring it. That's who I am. I'm bringing. Bring your to get some. That's who I am. Now, who you with? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That thing cleaner than a machinima. Cleaner than a machinima. That machinima cleanima. Yes, sir. That machinima cleanima. You see that gloss on that thing? Stop playing with that midnight blue. Don't tell me my car carbon blue. My car midnight blue. Know what my car is, cuz.